How to share others' video on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how can you easily share other people's video on TikTok application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your TikTok application and choose the video which you want to share. After that, click on the little arrow icon and then you will see a lot of options. You can see the option of copy link. Click on it and then you can easily share the link of that video where you want. Or if you want to share it to some media, then you can simply click on Instagram or Facebook or any other media which you want. And last but not the least, you can simply download the video if you want and share that video from your gallery whenever you want. So that's all. That is how easily you can share others' video on TikTok. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.